Hi, welcome to Gray Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's easy to set up your free 14-day trial. We also have another version called the Lite version, which is very limited functionality, but also allows you to use a free version for up to 1,000 reservations. In the free 14-day trial, you can come onto our website and use this free 14-day trial login information and put in your name of the property, email address, and phone numbers and submit it. Or you can go to this free trial link, free hotel software link, and then you can put your information and click to start your free trial. Once you select this click to start your free trial, you will get an email or you will get a web page called Activate Now. The free trial email is sent to those who try for the 14 days, and also the free hotel software will give you this Activate link. The email that you get will look something like this. It will say, welcome to Gray Software with your name, and also it has a link that if you click on this link, it will activate your account. So what normally you can do is you can just click on this activate my account link, or you can click on this activate button and it'll take you to the next page, which is this page where you would have to enter your property details. So you enter the property details with the property short name or property name, and short name, which is basically your property ID. This has to be just one word, and it can be as long as you want. But in this case, I'm just calling it John's Place. And then the login name. This is called the master login. This is more of an administrator login. You have the master login and master password. Passwords have to be um, uppercase one letter, lowercase letter, and also a numeric value and a special character. So the easiest way to do that would be like John, uppercase John, John's Place at 123. Okay. Now once you put information in there, if it's not valid, so that's why it's not allowing you to do that. Let me try that one more time. John's Place at 123. Okay, I don't know why it's not allowing me. Let me try this again. John's Place at 123. Okay. All right. And now if you click on finish, it will let you go to the next page, which is where you would get a thank you message saying that you have successfully registered for your email, for your free trial. And then you'll get an email with a message that says, welcome to Gray Software and the free trial. And you will have your information for where you need to log in, the login URL, short name, and your username password will be given there. So using this login username password, you can log into the software and start using your free trial. When the initial time you log in, you will be asked for a verification code. But once the verification code is done, then you'll be able to log in directly into the setup screen, which will be, this is the setup screen. So the property information setup screen basically shows you the property name and email that you logged in with. And then it gives you a place where you can enter your taxes. Tax amount here, I've already entered the Houston city tax as 10% and sales tax at 8.26%. All right, this is pretty standard. Once you set up the taxes, then you're ready to set up your rooms and rates. So the rooms, we have two options to set up the rooms. First room type is going to be rooms by types. The second one is rooms set up by room names. The room type could be like you would have a king or a double or single, beds like that. So you can just say king room, and you can say nightly rates at $100. And how many rooms do you have? We can do 10 rooms and then add this. In a similar way, you can do the same thing for doubles. You'll say double room, double room, nightly rates $80, and how many rooms? 5 rooms. So that way it'll add your room types. And then if you have single room names, like for instance, like some properties they would have like lavender room, they would have green, pink rooms, just more themes based on rooms. The smaller properties always do that. So you can also use your room names for that. In this case, let's just say blue room, and what's the rate for it? So let's just say $100. And so you can kind of build your room names. In general, you will not have both room type and room name. You would either have a room type or room name. So it just gives you an option to try one or the other. Once you put your information in, you just click on finish. That would take you to the next page, which will be the reservations page. Let me just show you here. You will see the reservations and the calendar page. So if you look at the calendar page, you can see all the rooms that we have set up on the left hand side. You can click on setup and you can go in here and add more data to your rooms. For instance, the unit setup will have information about the rooms and other, like the double rooms we set up. We can go and set up new images and things that go along with this room, like description of the rooms and things like that. And that allows you to set up your rooms. And one last thing is, when you go to your setup, you can go to the booking link and click on online booking link, and this will take you to the actual website that actually does the booking. In this case, we don't have any images, that's why it looks like this. But once you have your images and your room set up, then you can see all the room images, room names, and things like that listed out over here. Thank you.